In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a new channel in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working on a group project, organizing a team, or just want to keep everything in order, setting up a new channel can streamline communication and increase productivity. Follow these easy steps and you'll have your new channel up and running in no time. Let's get started by signing into your Microsoft Teams account. Open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or mobile device. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll see a prompt to enter your credentials. Make sure to have your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, you're ready to begin the process of creating a new channel. Next, look for the community option within the app. This is typically found on the left sidebar in the desktop version or under the menu options in the mobile app. Clicking on community will open up a list of existing teams, showing you the spaces where you can add your new channel. It's important to choose the correct team where your channel will reside, as this will help keep relevant conversations grouped together. Now find and click the Add Channel button. This option allows you to input details about your new channel. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to fill in information about your new channel. Here you can consider what the main purpose of the channel will be. Is it for announcements, project discussions, or perhaps a social space for the team? Knowing this can help you decide on an appropriate name. Which brings us to the next step. Naming your new channel. It's crucial to choose a name that clearly reflects the channel's purpose or the team members involved. Keep it concise but descriptive enough so everyone immediately knows its function. Once you've settled on a name that fits, type it into the designated field. After the name is entered and you're satisfied with it, the final step is to click Add. By doing this, you've successfully created your new channel. You should see your new channel listed under the correct team on the sidebar. This is a great spot to start organizing communications and assigning relevant discussions to this space. You've now learned how to create and manage a new channel within Microsoft Teams. If you manage multiple teams or projects, you can repeat this process as needed. Channels keep your conversations organized and ensure everyone stays connected. Remember, clear communication is key to a well-functioning team. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.